Working on a Tiguan today. Got two pretty sharp body lines running down the door here. We got that little guy right there. Won't use the light on this one because there's a pretty good reflection off the building. But yeah, someone just opened their door, hit him, put the dent in here, and then caused a lot of metal displacement on the top there. We call that crowning. So we'll have to tap that down as well as push out the dented part. All right, back here on this Tiguan here. There we go. Came out pretty good. We did it all through the window there. Didn't have to take the door panel off or drilling holes or anything. So came out really nice. Customer should be very happy with this. All right, thanks for watching.